events to watch this week and the big FOMC rate decision coming up.
Absolutely. Everyone's going to be keeping an eye out on that FOMC rate decision. What commentary we've spoken about this. That commentaries actually that are coming in are saying that don't rush into it. So maybe so it may not come in this time as well. It may not come in this March decision, but that's something to watch out for. You may see any surprise move coming in. Then that's going to be a bit of a directional for the markets as well, like I was mentioning before. So yes, keeping an eye out on the FOMC and Feds policy meet. We do have other central banks meeting this week as well. So BOJ, BOE, those meetings are also going to be happening. A lot of central bank events happening across the globe. Let's keep an eye out on that. Now, other than that, obviously, we do have China's industrial production data that will be coming out. Keeping an eye out on that. In the US, we have the initial jobless schemes. That's a key factor to watch out for as well. And other than that, in terms of let's just talk about some of the important corporate actions that one should watch out for. Especially, I'm going to highlight a bit about today as well. So, corporate actions that we should watch out for. Raman Steel Tubes is to trade at X bonus in the ratio of 2:1. That's going to be happening today. L&T Finance will be mulling a fundraising plan today as well, keeping an eye on that. Last day to buy Oil India shares if you want to be eligible for interim dividend. So yes, for all those shareholders who want to be eligible for interim dividend for Oil India, today is the last chance. Let's move on to the IPO side. We do have Krystal Integrated Services that will be closing the IPO today as well, keeping an eye out on that. We do have listings that will be happening this week as well. So yes, keeping an eye out on that. Popular Vehicles as well as Krystal, which will be listing at the end of the week as well in the next couple of days. So yes, that's important to watch out for. Lock-in periods for these lot of companies who have listed recently will be ending as well. India Shelter Finance, Domes, Inox India, Entero Healthcare, Vibhor Steel, lock-in period ends for these as well. So yes, important to watch out for that front. As well as in terms of we do have the NCLAT who will be hearing the case against the Zee-Sony merger. So let's keep an eye out on that and any update that comes in on that front today as well. Important events on that terms.
Well, absolutely.